Hi guys, welcome to Richmond Park, where I'm showing you how to put together this week's arrangement. This week we have some glorious Eucalyptus Cinerea, some beautiful irises, and two different types of lily, a Mambo lily and a Brindisi lily. Make sure you get them into water quickly, trim an inch off the end and use your flower food. Let's arrange! Start with 2 of your Brindisis and 1 Mambo arranged evenly around the edge of your vase. Fill the gaps with your eucalyptus. Their stems will create a structural teepee in the middle. Then dot your irises throughout. Finish with your final Mambo lily upright in the middle using the teepee for support. Give them a few days and watch your lilies and irises burst open. They'll look spectacular. Enjoy!